Hello everyone, I'm Arjuman from PureSilver.io. I'm here live in Bangalore from Silver Show of India. Really excited to present our new collection of Pure Silver dinner sets. Here we go. This is our rose gold Pure Silver thali set for kids and babies. Comes as a 5-piece set. With a beautiful shine, it's a 22 karat gold. It's hallmarked for 9250. That's a mini thali plate. And then we have the same set. This is around. Let me check. To 65 grams. Same thing, we have got 24 karat plated pure silver dinner set as well. That's a wonderful collection of 22 karat gold dinner set made in pure silver, gold plated. This is 24 karat gold.